afternoon, sir.
My boys, how na dey?
Kochi, my blood dey hot oh. I wan change am for Man City like this why I dey now.
Now wetin I wan hear be that. Bill,
Sir?
no be golf I sign you come here come play oh. And this your Madrid boots wey you dey wear so. Throway am. Go carry the other boots wey you been dey wear that year for Tottenham. Wear that one.
But Kochi, my leg don big pass that boot now.
That one no consign me. Wear am like that.
Okay, sir.
And that their left back, I no wan see am for pitch. Wetin be him name sef?
Cancelo, sir.
Just cancel the guy for me.
No problem, sir.
Harrison,
Sir?
I need 3 goals and 3 assists from una. Now who dey even assist who sef?
Na him be my personal assistant, sir.
Na him be say una go share am be that na. 3 goals and 3 assists.
No problem, sir. My fellow coaches, how una dey?
Oh boy, we just there. And just this nonsense international break dey worry person.
Ebiel, before you know now, some of them get carried corona, fatigue, injury, and other illnesses came back.
I swear that thing that wait me.
Wait though, I think the only coach is supposed to here. Nah. Wetin Sarri can they do for here? Now what now be one else, Kel?
Me I not even see the guy.
You're blind?
What did they do for here?
Say message jam question or I not be coach again.
Coach fire.
You say waiting. You know who they talk to? I don't did this coach business before them even born you.
See this line oh, sir.
Sorry, no the life for here, Joe. All of us know say you be banker. Coaching na your side hustle. Name my name. You suppose they bank the counter money.
See all this momo small boys or
Now why they call Momo small boys?
Unana.
Make una calm down, Joe. Na Mourinho call am say make him come represent am.
Wetin Mourinho come they do?
Him and Guardiola dey prepare for their game on Saturday.
Now God just save you. I for just blush you come up for here.
Say momo talk. You never even blush mouth finish. Na me you want come blush.
You don't do for Onana?
Ateta. I hear say you don't shoot half of your squad enter hospital. Wetin happen now?
They know the grey hair award. Now wetin make you shoot them? Nah. The Bible says spare the rod and spoil the child. Get forbid betting. Thank God say I no play under you. If I don't die by now.
But Bible say make you use rod now, no be shotgun.
I don't use rod tire. You know the work. Now go and show pass.
You dumb minute. Maybe by the time you kill all your players finish, we gonna know whether na gun sure pass.
Ole, why your team dey fluctuate now? Today una go win, tomorrow una go lose, another day una go use Ojolo draw game like una do us. Na social ticket you just dey cut. Your agenda na to cut everybody tickets.
Ebe, you know the take nonsense, yeah? Because them manage repair your defense. Person like agree here with the game.
Not be lying talk now. Don't dey fluctuate pass nepa safe.
Waiting this one can mean, yeah?
It means say them go soon sack you.
Get punish your generations there. Bed belly.
If this video make you laugh,
And you know say your mama born you well.
and you know say your mama born you well, just press that like button.
Which one be just press? Scatter that button, Joe. If your faith safe, destroy that thing. Who press help? You be Elvis Presley. I been a woman bless you one place.
See, sorry, it don't do you oh. I no come fight for here. Una don't hear am ba? Because me I no get time for this guy now.